Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring Python is installed and accessible. Check Python version so you know the interpreter path. Next, install Vscode and the official Python extension to get linting and IntelliSense. Open your project folder in Vscode, then create a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv to isolate dependencies. Once done, select the venv interpreter from the lower right status bar so Vscode runs and debugs with the correct Python. You should activate the virtual environment in the integrated terminal so pip installs target the project, then pip install your packages. Configure workspace settings, JSON to set Python, Python path or interpreter, and add a launch. JSON configuration for debugging breakpoints and arguments. Make sure Pylint or Flake 8 and Black or AutoPep 8 are enabled to keep code consistent. Once configured, rely on IntelliSense completions to reduce errors. Stepping through the debugger shows you variable. You run the final script using the run button or by executing Python script. Py in the terminal to verify behavior. Add tests with PyTest and integrate them into the test explorer so you can run suites and inspect failures quickly. Once everything passes, commit your code and share environment requirements and requirements. TXT. If things go wrong, first confirm Vscode is using the correct interpreter and virtual environment. If not, change the interpreter and restart Vscode to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.